So the first thing you need to do before creating a video is to write a script. So in this section, I will share with you a technique that I use to write scripts faster. This is called as Pomodoro technique. So what you need to do is first open a blank Word document and then set a timer on your mobile or on your desktop for 25 minutes and then start writing till the timer goes off. The key thing here is that you should not edit whatever you are writing, even if it's a blunder, you should continue. And once you continue and once the timer is done, take a small break and then reset the timer for another 25 minutes and then you start writing the script. So this way, by the end of 1 hour or so, you would have a very rough first draft of your script. The key here is to not make the perfect script, but to get all your ideas on the paper. And after that, you can take a bigger break and again come back and repeat the same 25-minute timer technique till the time your entire script for the course is done. So why we are making the script is because when you have the script, you would already know what you want to tell, and that way your course will come out much better than without a script. Now after your script is done, you can use this tool like Grammarly, and you can correct all the spelling mistakes or any grammatical errors. So this way your complete script will be ready. Now there are two advantages of having the script. First is you can use it to create videos, and second, if you plan to create a PDF of your knowledge, then that is also possible. You can turn the script into a PDF or a blog post as well. So here are a few tools that I can recommend. First is Grammarly. Second is there is a timer app on the desktop. So for example, I would prefer that you don't use your mobile timer because mobile usually it will distract you. So instead you can use this timer app on desktop. And third, you can use any Word or Google Doc to start writing your script. So this way you will have a concrete script for your entire course. Once your complete script is ready, you can start creating a presentation. So for this, you can use Google Slides or Microsoft Office PPT. And once when you have the PPT, the first thing you need to do is you start by creating your course title and subtitle. You make the first slide. So after creating your first slide, whatever outline you had planned previously, that same outline you can turn into slides. So each of those outline section can become a single slide. And the key to note is that each slide should convey one specific point. So here are a few guidelines that you can use to create very good slides. First is to use a very good image. So make sure that you use very less words and more images. Presentations are meant to be visually appealing. So make sure that you use appealing images. Second is, even if you are using words, make sure that you are using it in the form of bullet points, and in a single slide there shouldn't be more than 5 bullet points, and each of those bullet points shouldn't have more than 5 words. So this is a general guideline to create a very good presentation. So make sure that you don't clutter the presentation with a lot of words.